friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Can't Sleep Creations. It's all things witchy. Our hosts are Crafting with Indiana Jones, Jody's Southern Seasons, Shabby Meets Bling, and Up All Night DIY. Please check out their channel and the amazing witchy playlist. Dollar Tree hat. We're gonna just take all the tinsel off of it. And getting it started is always the hardest part. Let's see if I can get it started somewhere. Here we go. Just take all this tinsel off. And we want to take that tag off. The biggest thing is we don't want to cut this little thing here that'll hang your hat up later. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing down here and get rid of this. And this black stuff sheds everywhere. So you want to do this someplace where you can clean it up easy. First time I did this, I had an order for one of these real quick. So I took all the black stuff in Thad's truck. What a mess did I make. want to make sure that is on the outside. You want to make sure it's pulled tight. You want to make sure this section is glued down. There's not big gaps. And then just glue this end down. Pull our mesh in 15-inch strips. I use this and I just slide this in here. I got this from Unique in the Creek. But you don't need, you can also use just a piece of wood or even a piece of cardboard measured. I added half pipe cleaners, 1 to the first section and 2 to each of the others. So a total of 12 pipe cleaners. We could do this one of two ways. We could do curls or we could do ruffles. I think curls will be better. And then I like to take these and just twist them under and make a little curl. We are going to continue doing 3 curls on each one of these all the way down through, and then curl our pipe cleaners. And Bailey and Bella's fighting this morning. What do I do when the children fight? What should I do? You hear them? They're fighting back there. Bella's mad at him. They have a little toy frog that they like to... Okay, we're gonna do a little bow to go on her hat. Okay, let's trim our ends while we have it on here. Makes it a little easier. Just do a little dovetail. Twist the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner, because sometimes that pipe cleaner will choose to break on you. I'm gonna trim that a little bit. Fluff out your ribbon while you have it and it's not attached to anything. Now we're going to take that and that will go I'm trying to feed it through. Feeding it through always gives me headaches. Because I'm trying to find that crossbar. Bring it over and make sure you get it secured well. Make sure to fold it where the ends of your pipe cleaner is not going to scratch your door. I have one. You could add a spider or something there if you wanted to. But I'm going to add one little thing. Oops, there it went. Gonna add a fun little like pom-pom at the top. You could do this in fall and make it a scarecrow hat if you don't do Halloween. You could do this in denim. You could wrap it in denim or burlap and make it a scarecrow hat. If you didn't want to do witch, that would be fine. I've done it either way. Just poof this out. Because I always think there needs something right there. Okay, here is our witch hat door hanger we made at a Dollar Tree. Tell me what you think. The ribbon, I think I did get at Michael's, but most everything else is Dollar Tree.